Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve how the discount and interest problems grade 7. Okay, the first problem, I want to earn 20,000 pesos in 1 year. At what rate should I invest my 200,000 pesos? So, it's stated in the problem that asking for the rate of investment. So the first thing we do is to pick up or write down all the given. The given is interest 20,000. The time of transaction is 1 year. Principal amount 200,000, and the missing is the rate. So in this situation, so we can use the very common formula I equals PRT. I stands for the interest and P stands for the principal, which is the amount, and rate is the R is for the rate and T for the time, and time is expressed in 1 year. Okay, we have to solve now. We will use the formula I equals PRT. So we have to substitute. The interest given is 20,000 and the P is the 200,000 and R is not given and the time is 1 year. So we have to multiply this 200 times R times 1. So that's why we have 200,000 R, and at the left side of the equation just bring down 20,000. And then we're going to divide it both sides of the equation by 200,000 in order to have the R. R is the rate. So 200,000 divided by 200,000 equals to 1. So that's why we have R. And 20,000 divided by 200,000 we have 0.1. Then since we are computing for the rate, we're going to multiply this by 100. So 0.1 times 100 is equivalent to R equals 10%. So our complete answer now, 10% is the rate for the investment of 200,000 pesos with a 20,000 interest in 1 year. Okay, next problem, number 2. A 20% discount is all services is offered to the first 50 customers of a newly opened parlor. If a putti spa costs of 500 pesos, how much will a customer pay if avails the discount? So this problem asking for the amount that we're going to pay after the discount. Okay, so first we're going to pick up all the given so that we can analyze what we're going to do. So the sales discount given is 20% and the cost is 500. And plan what to do. So we're going to multiply. So multiplication. So but before we're going to multiply, we're going to minus 100% minus the 20% discount. So the remaining is 80% which is called sales difference. Now then we have to multiply 500 from the cost times 80%. So this 80% if we're going to use manually, so 500 times it becomes 0.80. Then our product is 4 pesos. So the customer should pay 400 pesos. Okay. Now in number 7, the problem stated that Mike spent 2 hours and 15 minutes preparing his mathematics project. What percent of 9 hours is this amount of time? So our solution, first we're going to pick up the given data or write down the given data. 2 hours and 15 minutes, 9 hours. And then, since they are not the same, 2 hours and 15 minutes and the other one is 9 hours, so we're going to convert this into minutes. So we're going to multiply by 2 hours by 60 minutes plus 50 minutes, so we have 170 minutes. 9 hours times 60 minutes, so we have 540 minutes. Then let's go back to the questions of the problem. What is asked? What percent of 9 hours is the 2 hours and 50 minutes? 70 divided by 540 minutes. So the result is 0.3148. Then multiply by 100, or we will going to move the decimal 2 places to the right, so it becomes now 31.48%. So our complete answer now is 31.48. Okay, we come now to the next problem, number 8. A factory can produce an average of 2,500 vivid races in a week. Due to the demand, it has to increase its production by 20% vivid race, and the rate is 20% of increase. Now let's go back to the question again. What is asked? How many vivid races to produce a week? So to solve this, we have to multiply 2,500 times 0.20 equals 500. Then add from 2,500 plus 500 equals 3,000. So our complete answer now is the factory need to produce 3,000 vivid races a week. Everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Our topic this day is about finding the roots or zeros and identifying the ABC of quadratic equation. The given is x squared negative 2x equals to 4. Kailangan yung standard quadratic equation ay equals to 0. Hindi po siya equals to 0. So we're going to rewrite this one. X squared negative 2x transpose. When transpose yung number to the left side, change the sign. Positive 2, negative 4 equals 0. Ito na po yung standard quadratic equation. Always equals to 0. And we have x squared. So the ABC, the numerical coefficient of x squared is 1, silent 1, then negative 2, then negative 4 for C. Constant for C, B for the second term, and 1 is the x squared. Take note, kailangan yung first term always positive. Okay, this time we have negative 4x squared plus 5x negative 4. So we have to do is to arrange first. We have negative 4x squared plus 5x, then transpose becomes positive 4 equals to 0. We have a problem. Here is the negative. So either multiply or divide by negative 1. Okay. Now, to find the standard quadratic equation, we have negative divided by negative equals positive. So positive 4x squared. Then positive divided negative, we have negative 5x now. Then positive divided negative, we have negative 4 equals 0. Standard quadratic equation. And now the first term is positive, so we can select now the A for the numerical coefficient of this. We have 4, numerical coefficient of second term, negative 5, and for the C is negative 4 also. Okay, next. And this third example, we need to find first the product of this given binomial. So we have to multiply x times x equals x squared. Then again, we have to multiply x times 4 equals negative 4x. Then times 3x, we have positive 3x. Then we have to multiply again. 3 times 4, negative 12 equals to 0. This time not in the standard form because of not yet in complete standard quadratic equation because of these two. We need to combine this. Since negative positive, we have to this one just only copy, and we have to minus. We have negative x because 4 is greater than 3x, so that's why disregard with the sign, so we will affix the sign of 4x. And negative 12, not affected, just only copy. This time this is the quadratic equation, then transfer here. We have x squared, negative x, negative 12 equals to 0 in the standard form now. Then the A silent one here, 1. For B, you have negative 1. And for C is negative 12. I hope you understand about how to find the roots and zeros of quadratic equation and identifying the ABC.